In this video, me and Slim are going to show you the best places to find gold, no matter where you're at in the continental United States. All that and a whole lot more coming up. For most of you out there that don't know, me and Slim here live in a cabin out in the middle of the desert. Ain't that right, boy?
Right.
Ooh, and I tell you what, this cabin's got a whole lot of secrets, don't it, boy?
Right.
You better say something. We got this bag from Mark Shipley. Good old boy, one of our premium patrons, sent us in this bag. He said to pan it out. It might be something good, huh, boy? Woo! So we're gonna go ahead and pan this out and see what's in it. And of course, I'm gonna get on to getting it on. So you know what I'm gonna say, huh?
Never did.
You better. So come on, let's go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the United States up into 3 parts. Ain't that right, Slim?
If you say so.
Because every part of the United States is different. The northern part has different gold deposits than the southern part or the western part. Hey Slim, your cabin's looking dirty. Dang, Slim, don't you ever clean this cabin?
If I do, you wouldn't be here.
What a mess. Do you remember when everybody was putting a broom up? Remember that broom trick, Slim?
Yeah, I remember that broom.
Well, let's see if that'll work here in your cabin. All right, I'm gonna put this broom down and see what happens.
I know you can put the broom.
It's supposed to be able to stand up on its own. Ah, what do you think about that? Woo-wee! It does work. Hey, look at this.
Oh, the man's a genius.
Slim, look at that.
Yeah, get the mop and do the whole job.
So we're gonna go ahead first and pan this out that we got from Mark. See how much gold's in it. Hey Slim, you got a panning tub around here somewhere? Huh?
Somewhere, yeah.
All right, let me look for it. Oh, here it is right here. Hey Slim, how about right here? That good enough? Huh? All right. Man, he's got this in tight. Oh, I'll get it. Hold on, Slim.
I'll get it. Sit back.
What you
Come
got?
on.
You got something under your bed. Look at it.
What?
You got a hatch under your bunk. What is this?
Get out of there.
Huh?
Get out of there.
That's some nice looking gold there, ain't it, Slim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Now
my
we can go out.
cabin, too. That makes it mine.
You know, it's ours. We're supposed to share 50-50. Ooh, that don't make your blood boil, nothing will. Woo! Thank you so much, Mark. We really appreciate that. All right, now we got the cabin cleaned up. Let's talk about where to find gold, because I know that's what you guys are here to find out. Now, the #1 rule to finding gold is what, Slim? Huh?
Go where the gold is.
That's right. Go where the gold is. Go where it's already been found. To find gold, you got to go where it's already been found. You're going to do your research first. You're going to go online, and you're going to look up where gold has been found in your area. Now, in the West Coast, you're going to have a lot of Lode gold and a lot of placer gold. Placer gold is secondary. Lode gold is primary. The placer gold came from the Lode gold. Erosion and Mother Nature brought it out of its existing vein structures and then deposited it in washes, creeks, and rivers. What are you chasing? Are you chasing Lode or are you chasing placer? You have to know the difference and you have to know which one you're going after. We're going to go after placer because that's the poor man's gold. Everybody likes placer. So you're going to find a district in your area that produced a lot of placer gold. You're going to do your research. And then when you figure that out, you're going to have to find out, is that land BLM? Is it available land? Is it private property? Or is it under claim by somebody else? That's the tricky part. Because most of the areas that are good are claimed up. Because as gold prices go up, everybody gets out there, starts claiming up land. And if it's not the small-time prospector, who is it, Slim? It's the big companies, ain't it?
That's right.
That's right. Corporate gets out in there and they start claiming it up. Now, there might not be enough minerals there for the corporations, but they know if they sit on it long enough, prices will go up. It'll be worth sinking in millions of dollars for exploration and extraction. All right, so I'm going to show you the first site, mylandmatters.org. I'm going to show you how to navigate that real quick. All right, so you're going to bring it up on your screen, mylandmatters.org. What you're going to do is you're going to go into maps. Then after you go into maps, look on your sidebar and you're going to go into mining claims. I'm going to pick Arizona because I like Arizona. Now, the first thing that's going to pop up is they're going to ask for a donation. You don't have to, but I highly recommend you do because there's no other site out there like this one. This works directly with LR2000 from BLM. It's updated every 2 days. All right, you're going to focus all your attention over here on the right. These are all your controls over here, and this is what you're going to need. Remember, the blue boxes are Lode, orange boxes are Placer. Now to move around, you're going to hit the navigational tool so you can move the map around. Give it a minute because it takes time to update. And then you're going to hit the plus sign to zoom in or the minus sign to zoom out. The nice thing about this is it's got the PLSS down here on the bottom right, Public Land Survey System. That's important. You're going to need to know that if you're filing claim. Go ahead and click on that. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring up all these little tiny boxes. First thing you're going to notice is how many claims are in there. It's not going to tell you where they're at, but it tells you how many's in there. But it is going to tell you each one of these little sections here, northwest by northwest, southwest by northwest. That's very important because when you go to look up the information, you're going to need to figure out where this guy's claim is. So you're going to come over here and you're going to punch in the I. You're going to get on top of this thing and you're going to punch that, and it's going to bring up the information of the people who have claims there. And then you can pick out each individual claim and go to what? Bureau of Land. Now what's important is it'll tell you the claim name, the person who filed it, if it's active or not, tell you all this information. This is associated with BLM. It's very important, especially if you want to go out prospecting on this particular area and you want to file a claim if you find something. Now, the biggest question I get is, Jeff, how do I know where that claim's at? Because it doesn't show you. That's the tricky part, son of Jim. To figure out where the claim is, you're going to need to request the claim map. And to do that, you need that information. You're going to need the claim number, the name of the claim, and possibly the claim owner's name. Now, the top right-hand corner, you'll see where it says for Arizona AMC, Arizona Mining Claim. For Nevada, it'd be NMC, Nevada Mining Claim. And next to it is a number. That's the claim owner's number, the federal registration number. You're going to need that. You can call either BLM directly, or you can get a hold of the county recorder's office for where that claim is filed at. And then you can request a copy of the map based on what you submit to them. And they'll send you a map in a couple days. They can either send it to you by mail or fax it to you. The only other way to get the map is to actually go out onto the claim and look for the location monument and find the paperwork, if it's there, inside of that little container, and then take a picture of it. So with that information, you can know exactly where the claim is located at, and then that'll tell you how much land is available for you to play with. Now another neat feature on the right hand corner is MRDS. You click on that, and any of these mines that have any kind of report history to them, it'll show up as an orange dot. You click on it, and it'll tell you all the information that was filed about that mine. It's mostly for hard rock mine. Now another interesting feature on this thing is this little guy right here, Land Manager. I want you to go ahead and click on that. You'll get all these different colors in there. The ones you need to stay away from, especially the purple ones and the white ones, the clear one. The ones that you can play with are yellow. The yellow ones are BLM. This will give you a better idea of what land is open and what land is not. Now, as you work with this website, over time you're going to get more proficient at it. And when you do your homework and your research first, and you apply it to this, then you'll be able to know exactly where you can go and what you'll be looking for. And like I said, MRDS is fantastic because Material Resource Data Sheet, because it tells you what they were pulling out of the ground and how much and what it was associated with. That's very important, especially on your Lode deposits. Now there's other sites out there that'll help you too, like the Diggins and Mine Cache. There's a lot more we're going to cover, but that'll be in the next video, because I don't want to give you too much and put you to sleep. Ain't that right, Slayer? I think I was putting you to sleep. You better wake up over there, boy. Now, if you're already subscribed, we really appreciate you coming back. And if you're new to the channel, we want you to go ahead and subscribe now. because there's a whole lot more information that we're going to be giving and handing out. And of course, you're not going to find it anywhere else. Ain't that right, boy?
That's right.
That's right. All right. And not to mention that, when we reach 200,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving what? 200 bags of pay dirt away. Free to our subscribers. So that's another reason that you're going to want to subscribe. The sooner we get to that number, the sooner we hand out the pay dirt. So, oh yeah, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll leave the links down below. We got a whole bunch of behind the scenes footage and pictures that you're going to really love. So look for that. So anyway, we're going to get on out of here. Ain't that right, boy? So till next time, this is Jeff Williams and who?
Slim.
You better know your name, boy. Saying you need a place to find gold, but you're not sure what to do? Start following my simple tips, boy, and you'll have loads of AU. Take care, everybody.